Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to remove a background from your images using Paint 3D from Windows 10. So I just opened Paint 3D. I'm just going to click on New. So now to insert the picture that I want to remove the background from, I'm going to click on Menu. And then I'm going to click on Browse Files. And then I'm going to go ahead and click on this picture. So I want to remove the background of this so that the background is transparent so you can only see the dog. So I'm just going to go ahead and click on Magic Select. So here they basically tell you what to do. It says drag in the corners or sides of the blue box to show us what to focus on. So I'm just going to go ahead and do that since I want the dog to show. So I'm going to pull in at the top as well, just a little bit. And from this side as well, just a little bit, as well as the bottom. So I'm going to click on Next when I'm satisfied with that. So it looks pretty good except for this area, and the ear is missing as well. So you have an option to add areas that you feel like should have been in the picture, like this area as well as that area. So as well as an option to remove if you feel like something should not be there. So add is already selected, but I'm going to click on it again. So and then I'm going to just draw a line here. So that does the trick. So I'm going to do the same for the ear. Okay, a little bit more. And that does the trick as well. So I didn't notice this was showing, so I'm just going to go back and choose remove. And then I'm going to just draw a box here, and that is perfect. So I'm just going to go ahead and click on done. So selecting the image in the background, I'm going to click on canvas, and then I'm going to click on transparent canvas, and then I'm going to choose to not show the canvas, which would be the background. Choose to not show the canvas. There you go. You can clearly see the dog. It looks a little weird because this part is blurred out, but this is exactly what we're looking for. And all you have to do is just click on menu to save, and then click on save as image. And then you choose the file type. I'm going to choose PNG. And you can see that this is a transparent background. And I'm just going to click on save. I'm just going to choose where to save it. I'm just going to save it on here. And that is it. That is it, guys. That is how you remove the background from an image using Paint 3D. So that's it for the video, you guys. I hope you guys found this helpful. Please leave a like as well as subscribe to my channel, and I will catch you in another video. Bye, guys.